instant replay.
Episode 1 of the motor swap. We got JoJo Motorsports right here.
This is not a sponsored video.
Got Mikey. Got the Cuzzo. What are you doing right now?
Aquí nomás chaqueteándomela, nomás para que me lo miren las viejas. Nah, just kidding. Just trying to make sure the timing's all lined up.
This fool went to O'Reilly's, bought all the shit he needed. It's gonna go over here. Swap with this. This shit had coolant in the oil. Switched hella new shit on there, and the fucking motor blows up. I got all new tires on this bitch when I bought it. We changed out the spark plugs and the packs. I got a new starter. I got a new pulleys, new belt, new dipstick. Drove that bitch to work and the radiator fucking blew up. Got a new radiator. Just everything. What are you doing? Oh, this one Mikey forgot some tools. But yeah, fucking, what else? There's some other shit we did to it. A new battery. But yeah, that's how it's going. We got the baby girl back here, waiting for her turn to come out. But yeah, it's episode 1. We'll see how it goes. So it's gonna get it running right.
Yep. Cross-threaded bolt, Papa. From the factory right here. I said from the factory, okay? It's not me.
Don't worry, I'll bring my tap.
You guys started it?
Now we're taking them out. No power tools.
He already swapped that one in another car that was just here. How long ago did you do that other swap?
Like a month. April. It was about a month ago. Less than 30 days. Haven't heard a shit from that customer, bro. AC, I left it hot. I left it no water, no oil. Haven't heard shit from them, bro.
It's gonna be cool. We'll come back with an update.
Oh shit.
That hoe.
Grab my tools at home. There. Why is this shit not lighting, bro?
Light it.
Lined up with what? Okay. Also, lined up with what?
Just relax a bit.
Roman's coming out. We gotta let it
Hey,
out.
put it out.
My nigga Jojo asked for a dab and my nigga goes inside.
I never fucking got it.
Nope.
I don't have the rig.
She can come out.
Dude, horse kicks or what? High
Bitch,
knees?
he
High
fucking
knees?
kissed the bitch.
Hi, what's up? High knees in the motherfucker.
Hey, baby.
Go back inside,
I
bro.
know,
Go
bro.
back in.
Go back to sleep, bro.
Hey, spark it when he leaves. Spark it when he leaves.
Sure.
Do you want me to keep recording?
It's the
The daily
it's
vlog.
it's the episode 1 of the motor swap.
A lot. Every time. Oh, get too deep.
Like that. You just spit the seeds in the backyard.
One bit.
We'll end up with a cherry tree. Actually, keep some of those seeds. I'll keep them.
What are you doing?
I need to see how
Same with the freaking edibles and shit. I'm like, what?
Suki, come here. Ooh, I'm putting on some sweats.
Yeah, it's fucking cold out here.
It's not even cold.
Scissors?
You wanna go with your mama?
Don't put the
Go.
joint. You know what else? You wanna know something stupid I did?
What?
Pull it.
Pull it?
So
Yeah, I'm gonna stab it.
stupid. Okay, so I bought these.
About
jeans
fucking
on
cut
eBay,
me.
like,
Oh!
And they got here yesterday. And thank you. And I was trying to like cut the bag, okay? And I was like, watch me fucking cut a fucking cut on my jeans. Okay?
I'm
I
coming
juiced
back out.
myself, and then
Spark it.
Get out of here.
Fork it.
Spark it.
Fork it.
That's supposed to go this way.
Yeah.
Nah, this way.
I don't know, man.
Come on.
Go, go.
No mames, güey. No ves que estamos chambeando.
Why are you barking?
That's what I'm saying. I thought I was tripping.
Hey,
That's why I was making sure I was lighting it right. Like, something like
Hey.
weird.
No, like that.
What do you mean? You said do what I want.
Do what you want. Sell.
Oh.
Yep. Can I see what it is?
Bear with me 2 seconds, dog. Fucking chill out.
It's gotta come up.
I did. There you go. You see? Nothing's changed. Fuck.
Shit looks like a LS.
Yeah, look at that. I like the color.
Oh, lit ass.
Damn, that gasket looks.
This is all
Uh,
that shit that I had to pull and clean out in your car.
they, Mikey's taking off the fuel rail. They got this shit broken down.
Damn, she don't want to come out. Come on, girl. Come on, man.
Oh, just squirted.
Just a little bit.
Squirted
That's
on me.
okay. It just means she's happy. No.
Smells like gas.
Here, buddy.
Watch your toes.
I didn't listen.
Smell that?
Gasoline.
Smells like fucking horsepower, boy.
Just like Mikey said, like, what about these?
That's what I wanted the cume for.
To
Just for
vacuum
the-
them out
To get the dirt out of here so it don't drop in the holes.
as we go to plug it, which is different,
Exact.
which is a completely different story. Okay, hold on. I got an option for this.
The napkin method.
No, this is called being smart and blocking off the holes so you don't get debris inside the block.
Yep. You big braining.
We can grab another one.
What's on your arm is what you're doing to me.
Breaking your wallet?
No, we
Got the
need
clear kind.
we need to fill the small hole on the inside without touching anything on the outside. That way the dirt doesn't drop in there, so we can get the dirt out of there without any dirt going into the cylinders.
Who's gonna vacuum?
The dirt's
You gonna
gonna-
vacuum?
Nah, I'm gonna fucking start.
That's how you know
carrying
you
mine
got a good
on
mechanic.
tomorrow.
The car fucked up, don't panic.
Yeah, it says break my wallet. I wonder how he's saying his wallet.
Yeah, I'm taking it to heart.
BMW, baby. BMW. Best auto ever.
But why is the reverse near the first gear?
Because that's how it is. That's where the pros do it. Granny shift, baby. If you ain't in reverse, you're not racing.
Is shit gonna work or what? You need this?
God damn, I feel like a right there. Should look like electric gun on Fortnite, man.
You hear the turbo? Look at, literally says turbo.
You see?
Nah,
Yeah, not yet. Don't spray it yet.
We gotta block off the holes.
Roman! You fucking holding it, I'm gonna fucking spray you, nigga.
You spray you with what? Air.
If he was an airbender, this is what he would do.
This,
What?
I seen a video where they strapped a kid to a chair and they put this on there.
Anime, bro. Get that shit to yourself.
Let me see.
What you trying to do?
Let me see.
You see?
What you gonna do with that?
RC Cola, sponsor me.
Oh, hell no. Where you get that at?
Here you go, Mikey.
Not yet. One more.
One more.
Hey, yeah,
Do
man.
they sell actual like?
Butt plugs? Yeah.
Yeah.
They do, yeah. That's
shit shot shit. We
Yes.
right now.
You good? Hey, you really want to play that game with some white
Let me
soda?
see what you got under.
Whoa!
You're gonna have to, bro. I'm gonna have to. What's it called? Age restrict my video, bro.
Sorry, Coke, one of those.
Age restrict, not for children.
RC Coca. Pura cocaína.
Coca.
Sponsored by
By RC Cola, Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. What the fuck? Fuck you. They sell RC Cola at every store, bro.
Dollar Tree special.
Bro, fuck you. Better bang for your buck, dog. Why would I go spend $4 at the fucking store when I can go get one for fucking $1?
That's what I'm saying. At the dollar store.
Shut up, boy. Talking shit.
Spot plug in there. There's a spot plug in there. Spot plug in there.
No. Where'd you find this?
Good find.
Well, they had like 6 in stock or some shit like that.
If JoJo would have never said, "Oh, this looks good," but you wouldn't have said nothing. You wouldn't have said nothing. I would have said it all. I don't get. No, I'm just kidding. You didn't even notice the gold.
You gotta listen. Yeah. Well, those are under pressure, so they're not gonna move at all.
The tire or what?
Well, no, these
Custom.
valves aren't at top dead center,
No, I know.
so there's
I
gonna
know,
be pressure.
I
on
know
them.
they're not at TDC.
I was explaining for him.
For the camera.
The camera.
Hey, whoa, my new shoe. Whoa! Why you standing so close?
Oh shit, what made it?
These are new.
Those are not new. Those
These are
are
new. These are Charkani. Oh!
What are those, the workforces?
Yeah.
My workforces are chopped.
You know what I was gonna say, Mike? If we could use your bin for parts for
Yeah.
parts, I could put them under the table.
I do that every time.
Yeah.
Well, I like how you just kept going. Oh. That's all. Is there more?
Come on, girl. No?
You gotta hit it, give it a little.
Give me some snacks, buddy.
They don't have snacks, bruh.
Give me a snack, bro. I know you have a snack, bro.
What kind of
Where you
snacks?
going? Whatever. Give me your bowlies. Your Mexican bowlie. Ooh, there's
Shit.
Coming in again.
Oh, yeah.
There she is.
Got her all taped up. Is that
Time to get it for pink.
concluded?
Crazy.
Day 1.
Y'all motherfuckers be wildin'.
Day 1 concluded.
Rattle can
Episode
at its best.
episode 1
Master
of
right
the motor swap.
now. Master Shifu.
The rattle can rebuild.
A ver, aguas, güey. Quítate.
Yeah, get the fuck out the way. Get the fuck out the way,
Out
cuz.
the way. No manches.
Yeah, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Quit stepping on my Jordans. Yeah, bro, get out of here.
Because I'm black, everybody.